Hello, so this is our reading for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. Unfortunately, hindi ko makuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo, pero okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, subscribe na lang kayo. Comment down below. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. For the sign of Libra. Knight of Wands at saka Ten of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. Libra. Ang daming nagmamahal sa'yo. Yung iba, this could be love or people that supports you. Alam mo yun, daming may gusto sa'yo, daming nagmamahal sa'yo. Yung iba, admiration, yun naman, daming nag-a-admire sa'yo. Like, you're someone na kagusto-gusto. Well, of course, you have your Libra energy. Bilis mong na-attract or nakukuha mo yung attraction ng ibang tao. Especially if you are the Emperor. The Emperor is very stressed right now. Energy. Natatawa ko sa energy mo. Parang ang stress mo ngayon. Dami mong iniisip or dami mong haggard na haggard pa yung iba dyan. Tapos, ang dami pa rin may gusto or na-attract sa energy mo. Ang weird, diba? Yung kahit hindi ka naman masyadong nag-aayos. Yung iba hindi naman masyadong active. Yung iba hindi naman masyadong o sige, hindi naman masyadong naliligo o sabihin na natin yun. Pero kagusto-gusto ka, di ba? Natawa talaga ako sa energy mo. Lalo na ngayon, I mean, if you are haggard right now, if you feel like ang pangit ko nga, parang hindi ako, ngayon, okay ngayon sa pakiramdam ko. Yung iba, maybe you're facing health issues. Yung iba could be, tamad na tamad ka ngayong araw or maybe nawawalan ka ng gana. This could be your reading. Natawa lang ako sa energy mo. First na nakakonect mo, tell me about this for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Libra, please, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. What do we have here for the sign of Libra? Dalawang major arcana, the High Priestess and the Lovers. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords, Why, and the Five of Cups. Actually, kanina pa lang habang sinashuffle ko na to, nakakuha ko na yung energy ng person na to. But then, maganda yung ninyo nito. Yung connection, like yung may soulmate, destiny kind of energy ako nararamdaman. Pero hindi siya okay ngayon. The Five of Cups, nakikita natin, this is pain, sadness, kalungkutan. A Three of Swords, sasaktan siya. Maybe may kinalaman sa communication. Oh, okay. Page of Wands is communication, or the Seven of Wands, blockage. I don't know kung ikaw ba yung naka-block sa kanya or vice versa, ikaw yung na-block sa kanya, or it could be wala lang kayong communication or connection ngayon. Gusto niya makipag-reconcile, Three of Cups. Gusto niya mabago yung sitwasyon ninyong dalawa. Ano ninyo? Connection. This person is missing you. Look at that. The Four of Cups. Nami-miss ka niya. What is the emotions here? Spirit guides, angel guides, please tell me. Emotions, please tell me. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Kisses, okay. The healthy choices, look at that. Mirror and love is showing here. So maybe you're dealing with a twin flame. You're mirroring each other. Love and ito rin yung pwedeng emotions mo. You love the person. Parang may naghawak ng buhok. This could be your reading. It could be your hair or someone else hair. So, pwedeng habang nanonood ka, naghahawak ka ng buhok mo, naglalaro ka ng buhok mo, or nagsusuklay. This could be your reading. Yung iba nang hihinoto. May nangunguto. Or, meron ganun yung parang parang mannerism ba yung naghahanap ng mga parang gulo-gulo sa buhok o dumi-dumi ewan ko ba, basta. Anyway, emotions mo, there's this self-love, self-care, being happier, maybe you're focusing on yourself, you're taking care of your surroundings, your home, your life, or yourself. Tinatry mo maging mas healthy. Although nakikita natin yung pagmamahal mo dito sa person na to, but yung pagmamahal kasi is shift mo dun sa sarili mo eh. Like yung mirror, nakikita natin as you looking at your mirror, looking at yourself sa salamin. So, nag-focus ka ngayon sa sarili mo and happiness. You want to be more happy. So, ginagawa mo lang yung mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, makakapagpales ng stress mo. Kasi nga, iba sa inyo, stressful na nga. And binabago mo yung sarili mo, that the wheel of fortune is there. Emotions ng person ito towards you for the sign of Libra. The Sword and Rose, yan. The Paradise is here also. Karmic relationship at the bottom of the deck. So, emotions niya, I feel like, hindi siya masaya. Parang may pumutol ng kaligayahan niya. Maybe, yung karmic relationship, maybe this person is in another relationship, karmic relationship, and sunglasses is here. Not today. So, yung iba, kung walang communication sa inyo, it could be because of a karmic relationship. And with the sunglasses, I feel like nang-i-stalk or nakamasage siya sa'yo, but nandun yung may boundaries kasi eh. And pwedeng yung pumutol ng kaligayahan niya is maybe kasi yung nakakapagpasaya sa kanya is ikaw. Kung hindi man ikaw, maybe part of your surroundings, like maybe your family or kung ano yung meron ka. Parang ito yung nagbibigay ng happiness sa kanya. But then, wala ka na, wala na yung connection niya. I mean, I can see the sword and rose as a picture of a sword na pinutol yung rose. Well, imaginein mo na ang sarili mo, may hawak kang rose with a stem full of thorns, pero ang pinutol mo sa halip na yung mga hindi magagandang part of the rose, ang pinutol ay yung pinaka-head, yung pinaka-ulo na nagpapaganda dun sa rose. Of course, paano mo tatawaging rose yun kung wala yung bulaklak, stem ang natira at puro wait lang, natatawa kasi may nakuha akong energy. Kasi as I was saying, as I was about to say the thorns or yung tinik, ang biglang energy nakuha ko is tagihawat. Di ba ang weird? Kapit pa. Wait lang, nalaloka ako sa energy mo ngayon. So maybe yung iba sa inyo, may mga pinag-usapan kayo ng person na to regarding tagihawat. Kahit matagal na panahon na, this could be already. Kaya na-weirdan lang ako. Kasi parang yung thorns, nagmukha siyang parang tagihawat. So, ang layo. Pero anyway, ang hirap explain nung joke kasi ako yung nakakita. Parang ako yung naka-vision. So, hindi ko naman ma-explain sa inyo. Diba? Anyway, balik tayo sa reading mo. So, yun, parang may pumutol lang na kaligayahan niya. The paradise is happiness. And yun yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. You bring this person happiness. Pero parang kasing pansamantala lang. So, yung iba sa inyo, pansamantala nagkaroon kayo ng connection, communication. Saglit lang yun. Masaya siya dun, pero parang may kulang. Or this person wants more. So, what will happen in the future for the both of you? Both, okay. And you do have the butterfly. So, ayun nga, you're moving on. The golden mirror, focusing on yourself. And nakikita natin yung salamin dito na my heart. It's like you looking at the mirror, focusing on yourself. And from being a caterpillar, meron tayo ditong butterfly, ha? There's this growth. There's this inner child na nilalabas mo or lumalabas sa'yo ngayon. You're glowing, you're becoming a butterfly. Yung iba sa inyo, bumabata tignan. Yung iba naman sa inyo, it could be, nilalabas mo yung mga bagay na hinahanap mo ng kabataan mo. Like, you're healing your inner child. Gusto mo na ganito, gusto mo ng ganyan, ng kabataan mo. Now, you're giving that to yourself. And then, you're moving on. Kita mo may bangka dito, may barko. And this barko is nakatali or nakaangkla siya dun sa paradise, which is yung isla dito. Lumalabas dito as your person is the island. Nakaangkla ka dati sa kanya eh. Stuck or like you like that person. Pero, of course, marami namang isla dyan. Salip na isla talaga, no? Kasi maybe, island, I feel like, may naririnig akong parang, alam mo yung kasabihan, no man is an island. So, parang ganon. It feels like parang hinayaan mo na lang siya kasi kung yun yung makakapagpasaya sa kanya, fine. Kung ano man yan nasa yung kwento ng storya nyo ngayon, maybe you feel like yung person na to, okay, sige, I still love you, I will love you, pero if that's what makes you happy, kung ano yung mga choices mo sa buhay mo, then so be it, gawin mo yan, sige. I will just love myself. Ganun yung energy mo. So, gusto ko yung energy mo. In the future, tell me about the future for the sign of Libra. See this? Lumabas na yan kanina. Karmic relationship and not today. Sunglasses, paulit-ulit lang. Diba? Coffin is here. I like you. So, paulit-ulit. That is also the message. Karmic relationship, sunglasses, and not today. So, paulit-ulit ka niyang iniispa yan. Paulit-ulit ka niyang chine-check. Maybe sa social media mo. Patingin-tingin, pasulyap-sulyap. Pero nandun yung pag-iwas. Kasi may karmic relationship. And the pattern is going on. Tuloy-tuloy yan. Dito sa part na to, hindi mo to pwedeng pilitin. Kung may twin flame or soulmate connection sa inyo, okay, there's a connection, pero may lesson siyang dapat matutunan sa sarili niya. And you do have here the coffin. The coffin is showing to me some kind of rebirth. Pagkabuhay muli. Pagkagising sa soul or higher self mo. For example, di ba pag may namatay, hindi naman siya totally namatay eh. There's still this soul. Di ba? And etong connection na to is soulmate connection eh. Twin flame connection para sa iba. And sa energy ninyo, you are already connected sa iyong higher self or yung sa iyong soul. Yung person mo, hindi pa. Nakafocus pa siya sa reality. Ngayon, sa realidad niya, paulit-ulit na may mga nangyayari sa kanya, may tinuturo sa kanyang lesson. Nasa sa kanya yun kung kailan siya magigising sa higher self niya or sa connection ninyo. Kung kailan siya gigisingin nitong karmic connection or karmic relationship na to. Kung kailan siya mamamatay. Hindi literal na kamatayan, but rather yung, yun nga, kung kailan lalabas yung soul niya, connection niya sa soul niya, sa higher self niya. Eh, hindi naman pwedeng ikaw ang pumatay sa kanya. Kasi sa twin flame, tatakbuhan ka niyan. Ganun yung pagmamahal mo, nakakamatay. You will try to, yung mga twin flame connection dyan, if you will try to chase your person para, hoy, twin flame tayo, mahal mo ako, alam ko, mahal mo ako. Eh, di ba? Mahal kita, mahal mo ako, alam ko, nararamdaman ko kahit di ka magsabi. Pag ginawa mo yun, ano mangyari doon sa person mo? Oh, wait lang, tatakbo ako, iiwasan kita, lalayo ako, mag-hide ako. Kasi nakakatakot yung pagmamahal mo eh. Nakakamatay. Alam mo yun? And this person is not yet ready to face his or her soul. Yung soulmate or yung connection ninyo or yung sarili niya mismo. Sana nagigets nyo guys. Yung iba kasi parang nababaguhan sila kasi about dun sa soulmate connection or twin flame connection. But anyway, para dun sa mga may alam na, that is the message for you. Ang gusto ko naman yung energy mo dito. I really like your energy. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.